Hello, this is Debbie McKenna, Speech Communication. In this busy world, we take care of everything and everybody except for ourselves. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make your life better, happier, and healthier. All it takes is a small change in your life, and it's never too late to start. By starting, I am talking about exercising. Exercising your heart. Your heart is a muscle. It gets stronger and healthier when you lead an active life. It only takes 30 minutes a day, and it can make a great difference in your health. Once you get started, you will find that it pays off. According to the famous Dr. Oz, people who don't exercise are almost twice as likely to get heart disease as people who are active and exercise. Exercise can lead you on a wonderful path. It burns calories, it lowers your blood pressure, it lowers your bad cholesterol, and it boosts your good cholesterol. This is according to Todd A. Astron, a professor at California State University, San Marcos. When you exercise, you get a boost of energy. It always increases your brain power. Not only does it improve your body, it helps your mental function as well, called serotonin. The reason that I enjoy exercising, it melts away stress. But some of you may think exercising may sound like stress. But once you get started, you will have less stress in every part of your life. Try it. You just may enjoy it. You work out and you find yourself exercising 3 and 4 times a week. Make time for you. It's worth the effort. Your benefits are you get a healthy heart, reduce stress, boost happy chemicals, improve your self-confidence, boost brain power, sharp memories, and there's many other benefits to exercising. Hope this has inspired you to begin your fitness journey today.